guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle and everyday living. If you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right, guys, so today's subject matter is jump roping. So I have been trying to challenge myself every month to do something different to keep me kind of entertained. 30 days I have been jump roping every day, and I was like, hey, why don't I just record my progress and see if I can improve on anything through these 30 days and share it with the internet. So here we are. Hey guys, it is day one of the jump rope challenge. It's not technically fully 30 days, it's more like 25 days, but because we're gonna rest I'm gonna rest every fourth day, or I might need more rest days, but I'll try to keep it going for 25 to 30 days. So I'm gonna show you guys the video that I'm gonna use. I don't actually have my fitness watch on today because the battery died, and I need to actually get to jumping. But so before we start, I wanted to say that my goals are hopefully to have stronger ankles within the next 30 days and hopefully more endurance, because jump roping is actually really hard. Oh, let me show you guys my rope. It's like some, I don't even know where I got this jump rope from. It's just like some random jump rope. All right. Day one, let's go. All right guys, so one of the first things I definitely suggest doing if you're going to start any kind of exercise regimen, obviously I'm not a professional nutritionist, I'm not a physical trainer, so you know, always consult your physicians when trying a new exercise. I definitely suggest jumping on a soft surface, making sure that your jump rope is appropriate for your height, and also if you don't have any knee injuries or ankle injuries. If you do have knee injuries or ankle injuries, this may not be for you. Day one down. Not gonna lie, it was really hard. It was 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and then 3 like 30-second breaks between like the two breaking up. It was really hard. Hopefully by the end of this, I'll be able to do it with breeze, but yeah. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Now that all that's out of the way, here's some cool things that I learned throughout the month. Jump roping definitely helped my ankles get stronger, and I definitely built up my endurance. And I started out doing 10 minutes a day. So I did 10 minutes for probably about a week and a half, and it started to get super easy. So I tried to bump it up. I started with from 10 to 11 and then 12, and I peaked at about 13. I did do 15 a couple of times, but it was too hard for me. So I peaked at about 13. So I tried to do 13 minutes for the rest of the time. And then the last couple of weeks I bumped it back down to 10 just because I was like, I gotta get this over with. Just finished. Super tired. It's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm starting a playlist for you guys, so every day if I pick a new video, I'll show it to you guys so you guys can do your own jump rope challenge, or maybe I'll do it again in a couple months with you guys. Whenever I post this, maybe I'll do it again. Yeah, day 3 so far, my calves are pretty sore. Tomorrow's rest day. Obviously it's only been 3 days, so what changes are you gonna see that quickly? But yeah, going strong, day 3. Back at ya. Put an iCard above of some of the videos that kind of helped me start out to see like what worked for me. So I did these videos a couple of days, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it without the video. So about week 3, I started just doing freestyle jumping, where I literally just watched a YouTube video for 15 minutes and I just jumped while I watched it, and I stopped to take a break. Whereas in the videos, it has like timed out breaks. So if that works better for you, I have a playlist for you guys already set up. Day 4 says 11:03. I had to wait a little bit for the YouTube commercials to go through, so we'll count that as my 10 minutes. Today is, so we burned 93 calories today, girl. Friday, November 6th. It is 7:36 a.m. Trying to get it in, girl. Trying to get some abs. We do a little abs, a little stretching. See you tomorrow. I saw like small changes. I saw like my waistline, or like my, you know, like you have this, the kind of indentions of your abs on the side. I saw those trying to come back, girl. I was like, okay, I see this jump rope is working. I definitely saw slight changes, nothing major. I think for me, for my body type, it'll definitely take me another month or two. It usually takes me like 2 to 3 months before I can see any changes in my body. Jump roping is definitely great for cardio, and it's super easy to commit to. I mean, if you can't commit 10 minutes to yourself, girl, let's rethink what we're doing with our lives. You can commit to your health for 10 minutes a day. I mean, what else you doing? We all at home. I did see some slight changes in my arms as well. Nothing like major, so I don't have any pictures or anything to show you guys. I took some pictures, but I was like, these don't really look any different. I believe we're day 11. Bumped up to 12 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's 12 minutes, 1 second. Getting better. I feel like my endurance is getting better for sure. I feel like I can't really, maybe a little bit of ab action, not sure. We'll see. By the end of it, hopefully I have some more ab definition. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys. Ooh. You can tell I just woke up, you know. Yikes. Today is day 18. I feel like I'm definitely able to jump a lot longer. I can probably go maybe a minute or two without stopping if I don't mess up my skips. But it's been good. I don't know why I just dread it every day. I just hate working out. Ooh. But it's been fun also. I feel good after I finish. So, all right, let's get this day 18 started. I'm up to 11 minutes, 30 seconds. Hopefully by the time this is over, I can at least get up to 15 minutes. Obviously it's not straight 15 minutes, or it's not straight 11 minutes, 30 seconds. I'll jump as long as I can, take a breath for maybe like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and I'll get back to jumping again. All right. Let's get it. All right, there are some companies, obviously jump roping is amazing because it can be done inside or outside. Obviously it's getting colder now. Well, when I'm recording this video, it's winter time. So in the summer, it's even better. But if you do live in an apartment or a condo, they do make jump ropes that don't actually have the rope, but it has like something on the end. I'll see if I can find something to insert here, or I'll leave a link below. It's not anything that I endorse, that I even try, but just to give you an idea of something that if you're in an apartment, you don't want to have the rope, boom, boom, boom. They have like alternatives for that these days. Also, be sure to rest when you can. The first couple of days, my shins and my ankles were killing me, so I definitely took 1 day off a week. You may not need to take any days off, just kind of listen to your body. And if you're tired, if your muscles are achy, kind of take a day off. What I did was I did 4 days on, 1 day off, 4 days on, 1 day off. So it was technically, I did it a little bit longer than 30 straight days. So it wasn't 30 straight days. All right, day 30 is down, done. Whew. Tell you all about it. All in all, I definitely loved doing this jump rope challenge. With that being said, the only thing that I wish that I had was I wish that I had a weighted rope. I feel like that would even add the intensity and kind of help build some muscles more in my back and my arms. And I want to kind of incorporate it maybe into my next month. Definitely leave a comment below and let me know if you guys would like to join the challenge, and thumbs up this video so I know for sure. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.